we connected with the Bitterroot Marksmanship Club. Interestingly, through a guy at church called us and said, we've got this building up here in Darby leaking. We need to get it sealed up, and we're talking about a coating system, but we're not sure what to do. And could you come out and help us out, give us some counsel? They had some grant money for the project, and we said, well, why don't you pay us for materials, and then we'll come out and just project manage the thing and get our foremen and supers out here to train the Job Corps guys. So it's kind of ballooned into something we didn't necessarily expect.
I'm going to give you a little history on the Quonset hut, which is the one you're working at now. That used to belong to International Paper, just to the east of us, and that's where that building used to be. They donated that building to the town of Darby and paid to get it moved over here.
What you see here today is the last major infrastructure piece for the building. We received a grant from the Midway USA Foundation that would cover the materials to fix the leaks in the roof. We are so grateful that Schrock Construction and the Job Corps have combined their efforts to work for this nonprofit.
We've got Don, the instructor, and myself. I'm the project manager for Schrock. We've teamed up and we're training their students on how to do a metal roof coating system.
Some of them come from a small town, dead-end jobs, so this gives them that opportunity to get some experience, get a certification, get the training that they need, so then when they apply for a job, they're going to be highly competitive.
We're going to put an acrylic elastomeric coating system on this building. Acrylics tend to be quite a bit more forgiving, and they do a really nice job as long as there's no ponding water on the building and we've got good slope.
We've got 4 major steps to get this project done. The first step is cleaning it with a 4,000 PSI pressure washers and then priming it. That's step 1 and step 2. Step 3 is dealing with the fasteners and the seams. So we're putting a fabric and a base coat on all the seams in the metal. All the fasteners are getting brush grade caulk put on them, and then the final step is putting a top coat on it, a 10-year warranty top coat.
This should be the last roof that ever goes on here. As long as every 10 to 20 years we come in and make sure it's in good shape. It might take a couple recoats.
They're kind of showcasing for a local business. If I have some of these students that are from the community, they want to leave and they want to stay in the community, this is a great opportunity to kind of showcase their skills.
I just hope to get a really good job. I want to be a sandblaster. It's a really good career, shooting abrasives at everything and making good money.
The great part about this program, zero debt. They're going to leave with money in pocket.
It's free. You get free education, free trade. It's ran by the Department of Labor, ran through the government.
When the Marksmanship Club had reached out and said, hey, Job Corps is willing to donate the labor, we thought this is going to be a great opportunity for us to get engaged with the entire class, show them what we do in the field, what the career looks like. One of the things we've been talking to them a lot about is the trades in general, roofing specifically, other specialty trades. They have a massive shortage in labor right now. This is a chance to get those kids and students to feel it and see it with their hands, recognize that it is actually a viable career opportunity.
Everywhere you look, there are roofs, and there's always going to be a need for good roofers.
Certain kids are going to thrive in this environment where it's outdoors, you're working with your hands, it's hard physical labor, it's rewarding. We're hoping some of these kids kind of get a spark in their eye and go, hey, that's really cool. I never knew you could do that kind of work in the painting industry.